Alright, so as I said before, let's see. The thermocell so far is my least favorite. It does its job, but do you have the money to spend on refills, constant refills? I don't know. Maybe you're rich. I'm not, so I can't really afford that. This one, the refills last you longer than the other one. This could last you like at least a week or something. The refill on this, if you put it on the main settings, you just press it like that. That'll only last you 2 nights, so not the best. And this, we haven't tested how long it lasts, but I'll let you know soon. So just based on just trying it like this, I think this is going to be the most useful one. This is going to be the most useful outside, and this indoors.
Likey.